In this video, we are going to be looking at calculating change. We have to start off with looking at the language. What does the word purchase mean? Purchase means getting something by paying for it. For example, you might go to the shops and buy something which requires you to pay for it. When we purchase something, we pay for it. A transaction. A transaction is an agreement between someone buying something and someone selling something to exchange goods or services. For example, when you transact with a shopkeeper, you give them money and they give you their product or item. Buy. Buy is another word, a synonym for purchase. It means to obtain something by paying for it. Change. Change is the money you get in return when having paid someone too much. So, for example, when you give a shopkeeper too much money for an item to be purchased, you get money in return, and that money in return is called change. Here we have our first example of giving change. We want to buy baby spinach that costs $3, but we have a $5 note. We go up to the counter and we give our spinach and our $5 note over to the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper gives us $2 in return because the spinach only costs $3. So $5, take away $3, which is the cost of the spinach, means we get $2 in return. We get $2 change. In our next example, I've gone up to the shopkeeper again and I've gone to pay for my rice. I've given the shopkeeper $5, but the rice costs $2.70. So in return, I get $2.30 and my rice. In this last example, I go into the shops and I get a 4-pack of V cans. I go to the counter and I give my shopkeeper $10. I give over $10 and say to my shopkeeper, I'd like to buy these cans of V. So the cans cost $9.95. So in return, the shopkeeper gives me 5 cents change. So they give me the 4 cans of V and 5 cents in return because I've paid too much. In summary, giving change is a subtraction equation. If we go to buy an item in a shop and we give the shopkeeper too much money for the item, they give us change in return. They give us money back because we have given them too much money for the item we want to buy.